In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Telegram group invite link in just a few simple steps. This is perfect if you want to share your group with new members, promote your community, or give controlled access to specific people. Whether you're managing a study group, a business community, or just chatting with friends, creating custom invite links makes growing your Telegram group super easy. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open Telegram desktop on your computer. You can use the desktop app or the web version, whichever you prefer. Once Telegram loads, navigate to the group for which you want to create an invite link. Click on the group to open it. Now, at the top of the chat window, you'll see the group name and profile picture. Click on the group name to open the group settings and information page. This is where you can manage all your group settings, members, and permissions. In the group settings menu, look for the option labeled Invite Links and click on it. This section shows all the invite links that have been created for your group, including the primary link and any custom links you've made. To create a new invite link, click the button that says Create New Link. This will generate a fresh invite link that you can customize with specific settings if needed, such as expiration dates or usage limits. Once the link is created, you'll see it displayed on the screen. You can now copy the link by clicking the copy button, or you can share it directly through Telegram or other apps using the share options provided. That's it. You've successfully created a Telegram group invite link that you can send to anyone you want to join your group. It's fast, simple, and gives you full control over who gets access. If this video helped you out, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this one.